Hi everybody, my name is Paula Januszkiewicz. Welcome to this short movie about EntryTTL. This was the demo made on TechEd North America 2011. This is the Edit console, and I will reverse the view to have a list of the users, and I will reverse the view in Active Directory users and computers to show you the same. This is the list of users that we have, and in PowerShell I'm going to execute a short script to list how many users do we have, and this is my demo script CMD file that will result in EntryTTL-LDF file. This is my doit CMD that is using LDI-FDE to execute the content of EntryTTL.LDF, and this is the file that contains several user definitions, and as you can see, I'm creating dynamic object and I'm assigning EntryTTL. The value of EntryTTL will be at the end of the username. So let's execute the script. Here we go. And when we measure the user number, here you've got 89. So users were created. Let's reverse the view in Edit console, and here are the users. So when we click properties of the user, you can see EntryTTL is 0 because user was created only for 15 seconds and time it's running. And as you can see, it's 121 for a user with 150 at the end. When we click it again, it has lower value. Okay, so let's check again how many users we have. 89. You can use LDP-exe to do the garbage collection control. Here are the steps. You connect to the current server, you bind to current domain, type your administrator password and domain name. I click OK, and in browse menu you click modify, and in attribute you type the garbage collection value 1, click enter and click run, and this will encourage our process. Here you will see that EntryTTL actually is working, and now we have 74 users in Active Directory. In Edit you can check that users with the lowest value disappears, so we no longer have user 15, 20, and so on. I will repeat the step with garbage collection control, just not to wait for user to disappear. Normally you just need to wait for some time. And let's measure. Here we got 67. When we refresh the user list, you can notice that users with the lowest value has disappeared. We can help the process to do again garbage collection control and check in PowerShell how many users we have, and it's 60. So again, it's 55. Normally you just need to wait for some time, but that's just for demo purpose to speed up the process. And again, you can see it's 31, so this is the value we had at the beginning. We can check how many users we have in Edit, and this is our starting point. And let's do the same in Active Directory users and computers, and as you can see, the information repeats. The best thing about this demo is that the deleted dynamic object, due to its TTL expiring, does not leave a tombstone behind in Active Directory, which means that deleted objects cannot be recovered. You can modify EntryTTL constantly, but if you stop doing this, objects will just disappear. Okay, so thank you for listening, and thank you for attending my session.